Welcome to our channel. In this video, we dive into the exciting world of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. If you've been hearing a lot about NFTs lately and want to understand what all the buzz is about, you've come to the right place. Whether you're an artist, collector, or simply curious about this digital revolution, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll demystify NFTs, exploring their unique characteristics and the immense possibilities they offer. We'll delve into the power of blockchain technology and how it has transformed the way we create, buy, and sell digital assets. From stunning digital artwork to virtual real estate and beyond, NFTs have opened up a whole new world of possibilities. Join us as we explore the fascinating aspects of NFTs, from their underlying technology to the incredible value they can hold. We'll discuss strategies for success, whether you're an aspiring artist looking to showcase your work or an investor seeking opportunities in this thriving market. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of NFTs. Together, we'll unravel the mysteries, uncover hidden gems, and empower you with the knowledge and insights you need to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of NFTs. So, if you're ready to explore this digital revolution and discover the immense potential of NFTs, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of NFT enthusiasts. Let's dive in and unlock the boundless possibilities of non-fungible tokens. Introduction. 1. Greet the audience and introduce yourself as an NFT enthusiast or expert. 2. Explain the recent surge in popularity of NFTs and the immense potential they hold in the digital art and collectibles market. 3. Share your excitement about helping viewers navigate the world of NFTs and provide valuable strategies for maximizing success. Section 1. Understanding NFTs. 1. Define NFTs and their fundamental characteristics, emphasizing their uniqueness and indivisibility. 2. Explain the concept of blockchain technology and how it provides transparency and security for NFT ownership. 3. Highlight the significance of digital scarcity and its impact on the value of NFTs. 4. Discuss how NFTs have revolutionized ownership and monetization in the digital space. Section 2. Researching NFT projects. 1. Emphasize the importance of conducting thorough research before investing in NFTs. 2. Discuss popular NFT platforms and marketplaces, such as OpenSea, Rarible, and Super Rare. 3. Provide tips for evaluating NFT projects, including examining the artist's reputation, historical sales data, and community engagement. 4. Highlight the role of white papers, roadmaps, and project teams in assessing the potential long-term value of an NFT project. Section 3. Evaluating NFT value. 1. Discuss the factors that contribute to the value of an NFT, such as scarcity, artist reputation, utility, and historical sales data. 2. Explain the concept of secondary market trading and how it affects NFT prices. 3. Share strategies for identifying undervalued NFTs, such as finding emerging artists or exploring niche categories with growth potential. 4. Discuss the importance of keeping up with industry trends and market sentiment when evaluating NFT value. Section 4. NFT portfolio diversification. 1. Highlight the significance of diversifying your NFT portfolio to manage risk and maximize potential returns. 2. Discuss different types of NFTs, including artwork, virtual real estate, gaming assets, and collectibles. 3. Share strategies for selecting a mix of high-value collectibles, established artists, and emerging projects to create a balanced portfolio. 4. Discuss the benefits of exploring new and upcoming artists or projects that have the potential for future success. Section 5. Timing your NFT trades. 1. Discuss the importance of market timing in the NFT space. 2. Explain how to identify market trends and predict potential price fluctuations. 3. Share tips for strategic buying and selling of NFTs based on market conditions, such as entering during market dips or capitalizing on hype cycles. 4. Discuss the importance of setting realistic goals and managing expectations when trading NFTs. Section 6. NFT Storage and Security. 1. Highlight the significance of securely storing and protecting your NFT assets. 2. Discuss various storage options, such as digital wallets, cold storage, and hardware wallets. 3. Share best practices for maintaining proper security measures, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. 4. Discuss the importance of staying informed about potential scams and avoiding suspicious or unverified projects. Conclusion. 1. Recap the key strategies discussed throughout the video, including conducting research, evaluating value, diversifying portfolios, timing trades, and maintaining security. 2. Encourage viewers to continue learning and exploring the world of NFTs, as the space is continually evolving. 3. Thank the audience for watching and invite them to subscribe to your channel for future updates on NFT strategies, market insights, and industry trends.